In this video, I will show you exactly how to change your character identity in OneState RP, focusing on the essential steps for updating your name and nickname to refresh your roleplay experience. We are starting on the main game screen, where you first need to log into your account and select the specific server where your character is located. Once you are loaded into the world, look toward the bottom left corner of your screen to find the in-game store icon. After opening the shop, you will see several navigation options, but we need to head straight to the Services tab. This is where the game houses all the special character modifications. You are looking for a specific item titled Nickname Change. When you select this, a window will appear with two distinct input brackets. In the first bracket, you will carefully type in your character's new first name. The second bracket is dedicated to your new surname. It is important to double-check your spelling here to ensure your new identity looks exactly how you want it to. Once you have filled in both fields, you will see a bright yellow button at the bottom of the screen to finalize the purchase. Click that button to complete the transaction and apply your new identity immediately. This process is the primary way to reinvent yourself within the city without losing your overall progress. I hope this walkthrough helps you get your character looking and sounding exactly the way you imagined for your next session. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe for more OneState RP tips and tricks. Leave a comment below if you have any questions about the in-game store or other character features.